Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bonnie's Best Creations. And I want to welcome all you new subscribers, and I know that a lot of you have commented, and I sure appreciate it. So today I have a fun insert or tuck for your cards or your journals. And it's so simple and yet uh, and low cost and yet quite cute. So I'm going to show you what I've done. I made this card, and I decided that I would create the insert that I'm making in the bottom of this card. And it is just flips out and it closes up. Do you see that? Opens up and closes up. So I'm going to show you how I did this. You're thinking, how did I do that? And it is so simple. So here we go. So let's get started. So I bought these lunch bags from the dollar store, and it's a regular size lunch sack that has a flap like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to, either with your cutter or just with scissors, you're going to cut along that line. I'm lifting that. Okay. So there's the bottom of the bag. I'm going to flip it over, and this becomes your flap. So there's your folded edges or your cut edges, and the base of the bag is flat, and when you pull it out, it opens up. Now, the fun part comes, and you can decorate it any way you want. With you can stamp on it, you can use designer paper, you can use whatever you have to embellish this paper bag to make it look lovely. So you can see this card. See, I'm a visual person, so, and I hope you are. So that's what happens with that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I have a smaller bag. Now, remember I showed you there's different sizes of bags. I have a black one, a white one. I'll show you this one I did, which is from the white one, and it pulls out. So what I'm going to do, and I have these mini little bags that I found, and I'm going to show you how I decorated these. So let's get some little bits of paper, and like I said, you can use whatever designer paper you've got, and you're going to, here's something cute. So what I'm going to do is, and I'm just going to be using scraps for this. To get, I think I'll use that. I like simple, quick, little fun things to insert in cards or to put it at the side of your junk journal. And I'm going to make that, it's as, now make sure that you want the cut edge of your bag. This will be the top. Glue. You can be as detailed, precise as you want. I'm just doing this quick and easy. And then when I open this, if you want this inside flap, you can I'm doing this quick so you see how easy it is. I'll show you some of the cards that I'm just going to put that there. And of course, with your ink, you can ink all the edges. If you want to leave a border of the bag, you can. And that inside. And of course, if you want, you can do all your edges. You can open it up, do all your edges. All right. Now, you need people to know that you can pull it. And you can do anything you'd like. You can use, and I love just using scraps. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to fold it. And okay, so there's the front of your book or your little pocket. And I'm going to, the second piece, the second layer there, I'm going to just glue that. And that's going to be, you could use a paper clip. Now, this would have to be put on a fairly flat surface, but when you pull it, it opens up and it folds back down. I'll show you again. Of course, you could all right. So there's a mini bag that I did. And what I did, I just put a bit of cheese cloth, and I put a little word there. There's my pull tab, and I pulled it out. And I thought it would be so cute to put a little secret message in there. Hope. So I wrote in there, I'll keep praying until the storm passes. Don't give up. And that's a little note that I can put in there. There's my larger card. And what I did is I glued the bottom to my card and pulled it out. And I decided just to put a little bit of paper at the bottom there, and I can add a note to that. So this what I would do is that bottom square of the bag, just glue that on. Let that glue. This could be your journal page, you know, how you decorate it. And very carefully, another little tuck spot. I thought, so this is what I did. There's my card. Just embellished all that, some words. Open it up. I decorated this with some punches, butterflies, whatever I had. There's my pull it, and I thought, wow, this size would make a terrific holder for a gift card for somebody. So I'll show you once again. There's a mini bag. It folds right up. There's my larger card, and I just had a digital that I had, and just glued that there. How simple is that? No measurements will accept. And you know, I did take a little bit of time when I was doing this to create a border if you want. But like I say, once you get an embellishment on there, it's so simple. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, just ask me, subscribe, and if you want more details, I shall do that. But have fun crafting. It doesn't have to be difficult, just fun to add to any of your journals or a card. I think it's pretty cute, just from a lunch bag. So have a good day.